Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create a poll on Facebook. We start by entering Facebook, then we click on the account icon and then on the groups option. Here we click on the top Create icon and choose Create a Post. After that, click on the group where we want to generate the survey. Next, in the options that appear, we will click on Poll. After this, we will be able to configure our survey with the different options that we will set, as well as the permissions that we will give to the members. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When we finish, click on Done, and we can enter the text that our survey will have. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once the survey is finished, we are going to click on Post, and when we enter the group, we will see that it has been created and is ready to vote. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.